It is one of the most sought-after greenhouse models because of its first-class quality, durability, size, variety, functionality, and affordability. The Rion Prestige 2 greenhouse is meticulously designed with excellence in mind. The grand features include a weatherproof UV-protected resin frame that ensures durability and heavy-duty insulation. The barn-style roof gives sufficient headroom, so standing and moving inside the little garden is hassle-free. The polycarbonate semi-translucent twin wall panels guarantee high impact resistance and optimum light diffusion. It's made possible by engineering a 4 mm thickness on the roof and 6 mm thickness on the sides. You also have the option to choose between opaque or clear glass panels. Completing the elegant features of the Rion Prestige 2 greenhouse are its double-hinged latch French doors. Now, that's not all. The Rion Prestige 2 greenhouse is a full greenhouse package loaded with accessories. A base kit for additional stability and height, 2 side louvre windows, 2 automatic louvre openers, 2 roof vents, and 2 automatic vent openers for optimum ventilation and correct temperature. It also includes 2 tier benches, 1 trestling kit, 2 anchoring and hanging kits, and 3 drip irrigation kits. Each package is backed by a 7-year manufacturer's warranty.